For more than 3 decades, the Hubble Space Telescope has stood as one of the most vital and transformative scientific instruments ever created. Launched in 1990 aboard the Space Shuttle Discovery, Hubble was designed to peer far beyond the limits of ground-based astronomy, rising above Earth's atmosphere to capture the universe in unprecedented clarity. Its original mandate was clear: observe distant galaxies, glowing nebulae, and the faint afterglow of cosmic history itself. Yet over time, Hubble became something far greater than a deep space observatory. Against all expectations, it evolved into one of humanity's most powerful tools for studying our own solar system, revealing dynamic processes, violent collisions, and hidden environments that continue to reshape planetary science. Many worlds within our solar system remain unexplored due to the absence of long-term, dedicated spacecraft missions. In this gap, Hubble has played a crucial and often underappreciated role. With its sharp optics, wide range of instruments, and extraordinary longevity, it has observed planets, moons, asteroids, and comets in ways no other telescope could replicate. Unlike short-lived missions or brief flybys, Hubble's greatest strength lies in its ability to return to the same targets again and again. This long-term perspective has allowed scientists to witness real change unfolding over years and decades, transforming the solar system from a static collection of objects into a living, evolving laboratory. Despite its remarkable capabilities, Hubble is not without limitations. Its narrow field of view means it cannot image very large nearby objects in a single frame. Earth's moon, for example, appears too large in the sky for Hubble to capture all at once. Instead, detailed lunar mapping is handled by missions such as the Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter, which produces ultra-high-resolution images of the Moon's surface. Yet even with these constraints, Hubble has contributed to lunar science in innovative and unexpected ways, demonstrating the versatility of its instruments. One of Hubble's most ingenious experiments took place in 2012 during the rare transit of Venus across the Sun. Rather than observing Venus directly, scientists used the Moon as a giant cosmic mirror. Sunlight passed through Venus's thick atmosphere, reflected off the Moon's surface, and then traveled back to Earth, where Hubble analyzed the subtle changes in the light spectrum. This indirect method allowed researchers to identify chemical fingerprints in Venus's atmosphere, confirming the dominance of carbon dioxide and detecting additional trace components. The significance of this experiment extended far beyond Venus itself. It validated techniques now used to study the atmospheres of distant exoplanets, helping scientists search for habitable conditions and potential biosignatures around other stars. While the Moon challenges Hubble's field of view, Mars is an ideal target. The telescope has repeatedly captured full-disk images of the Red Planet, global perspectives that orbiting spacecraft often struggle to achieve due to their proximity and limited viewing angles. Over decades, these observations have allowed scientists to track seasonal changes, the growth and retreat of polar ice caps, shifting cloud patterns, and the evolution of dust storms. One of Hubble's most iconic planetary observations occurred in 2001, when a massive global dust storm engulfed Mars entirely, shrouding its surface for months. Events like this revealed just how active and unpredictable Mars can be, offering critical insights for future robotic missions and eventual human exploration. Hubble has also monitored Phobos, the larger of Mars's 2 small moons. Phobos orbits Mars at a breathtaking pace, completing a full revolution in just 7.5 hours due to its extremely close orbit. Tidal forces are slowly dragging it inward, and scientists predict that within tens of millions of years, Phobos may either crash into Mars or be torn apart, forming a temporary ring system. Observing this gradual decay provides astronomers with valuable clues about tidal evolution and the long-term stability of moons across the solar system. Beyond Mars lies the asteroid belt, a vast region filled with rocky remnants from the solar system's earliest days. These objects never formed a planet, preserving instead a fossil record of planetary formation. Hubble has played a pivotal role in observing asteroids, uncovering surprising behaviors that challenge long-held assumptions. A striking example is 6478 Gault, which unexpectedly developed twin tails resembling those of a comet. Scientists eventually traced this activity to the Europa effect, where uneven solar radiation gradually alters an asteroid's rotation. As Gault spun faster, surface material was flung into space, producing its dramatic appearance. This discovery revealed a crucial truth. Many asteroids are not solid monoliths but rubble piles, loosely bound collections of debris held together by weak gravity. Even small disturbances can destabilize them, altering their structure permanently. Hubble's observations have profoundly changed how scientists assess asteroid stability, impact risks, and planetary defense strategies. Another dramatic asteroid belt event involved P. 2010A2, initially mistaken for a comet due to its long tail. Hubble's high-resolution imaging revealed something far more violent: the aftermath of a high-speed collision between two asteroids. The impact produced an X-shaped pattern of debris near the core and a long trail stretching behind it. Such collisions are rarely observed in real time, making this event a rare glimpse into the chaotic environment that shaped the early solar system. Farther out, Jupiter dominates the outer solar system with overwhelming gravitational power. Often described as the solar system's vacuum cleaner, Jupiter's immense mass allows it to deflect, capture, or redirect countless asteroids and comets. Its influence was dramatically demonstrated in 1994 with the impact of Shoemaker-Levy 9. Torn apart by Jupiter's gravity, the comet's fragments slammed into the planet's atmosphere at incredible speeds, producing fireballs that rose thousands of kilometers above the cloud tops. Some impact scars rivaled Earth in size, releasing energy equivalent to millions of megatons of TNT. Hubble's observations provided an unprecedented real-time study of planetary impacts and underscored Jupiter's role as a cosmic shield for the inner solar system. Hubble has also studied Jupiter's colossal auroras, which dwarf those seen on Earth. Combined observations with Juno revealed that these auroras are powered not only by solar wind but also by Jupiter's intense magnetic fields and radiation belts, creating the most powerful auroral displays in the solar system. Among Jupiter's many moons, Europa stands out as one of the most compelling targets in the search for life beyond Earth. Beneath its icy crust lies a vast subsurface ocean, and Hubble has detected water vapor plumes erupting from its surface. Spectroscopic evidence of sodium chloride, common table salt, suggests that Europa's hidden ocean may closely resemble Earth's, strengthening the case for potential habitability. Since the end of the Cassini mission in 2017, Saturn has lacked a dedicated orbiter, yet Hubble continues to monitor the ringed planet. It tracks atmospheric changes, seasonal shifts, and massive storms, ensuring that long-term records of Saturn's behavior continue uninterrupted. Hubble has also provided invaluable observations of Uranus and Neptune, two distant worlds largely unexplored since Voyager 2's brief flybys. It documented Uranus's extreme seasonal transformations and helped discover Neptune's tiny moon Hippocamp, likely formed from debris left by an ancient collision. For more than 34 years, Hubble has exceeded every expectation placed upon it. Its contributions to planetary science, astrophysics, and the search for life have been nothing short of extraordinary. With continued maintenance and careful management, Hubble could remain operational well into the 2040s, potentially complementing newer observatories rather than being replaced by them. The universe is vast, dynamic, and filled with unanswered questions. Hubble has shown us that even familiar worlds still hold secrets waiting to be uncovered. Every new observation carries the potential to rewrite what we think we know, reminding us that discovery is an ongoing journey, and that the sky, no matter how long we study it, is never truly silent.